Haha, this is the new technique for remove the soldering from the circuit. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to repair video series. Oris X-ray machine power supply repair video. Primary power supply unit transformer has been burned. Now I try to open the power supply transformer from the board. Successfully open the transformer from board, and now I need a new one transformer for complete the circuit. Haha, this is the new technique for remove the soldering from the circuit, and this technique is very good and helpful. When I working on critical circuit, then I follow this technique. Deep IC, deep MOSFET and deep all parts. When I open and close, then I follow this technique. If you are an engineer, you can use this method. That's very helpful, very good technique. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching our video. Successfully the work is done and X-ray generator is right now on.